Oh no 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 no! I am being stretched. One. Why is this happening to me? One. No 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 no. Haha, that is what you deserve, you entitled Karen. Ha. Yes, you deserve it, you ugly meaty bitch. Whoa. No 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 not whoa. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Free. Get out of my face. Thank you. Hello. Will you meet your new overlord? Will you I am so proud of you. Oh, thank you very much. Yes, cheer for me, peasants. I am the toilet. Hello. Hello, how are you today, and what would you like to purchase from my lovely store today? I would like 20 dozen donuts today, my good friend. No, you can't have that many donuts. Do not be greedy, you greedy bum. Oh God, no. Oh, shut up, you carrot baby. You go like this. One. I don't like you anymore. One. Whoa. Oh no, you are so very naughty. No. Yes. What? Whoa. No.